Kal, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Samanipkar. So I am back with subject maths class 5th lesson 1 numbers. We use digits and numbers, which is the base of mathematics, right? So let's start with exercise 1. Here let's draw bakers. So I know you must have a question that what is an abacus. So let's discuss. So let's write here ones, thousands, lakhs, right? And now their side ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs, right? And 10 lakhs. So here let's draw these rods, right? And here box. So let me tell you, here we have 5 rods and these rods have beads on it, right? So let's draw beads on the given rods so that we can write this value in words. So here, so let's start. Here these are 5 rods. So first rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads, and second rod has no bead. Third has 1, 2, 3 beads. Fourth has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads, and the fifth one has 1, 2, 3, 4 beads, right? So now we will count these beads and write them under in the box. Here these are, we have 5 beads, right? Similarly we will write these value in the word. So here let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write 5. Second rod has no beads, so it is 0. Third has 1, 2, 3 beads. Fourth has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads, and last one has 1, 2, 3, 4 beads, right? So this is the value. So here we have to write this value in words. Here 4 is at 10,000s place and 6 at thousands place. Here 46 together at thousands place, right? Here you can see lakhs, thousands and ones. So here 46 because this is part of thousands, so we will write these both together. So let's write in words 46,000, right? And so next digit is we have 3, right, which is at 100 place. So let's write 300. Then we have 0, right? So we will not write this. Next is 5, which is at 1's place. So let's write 5. So this is done. Similarly you can practice another sums. So these are the sums for practice. You can answer in the comment box, right? Second part is place value chart. A part is 3, 8, 6, 8. So here let's draw place value chart to the values in these boxes. So here 8 is at 1's place, 6 is at 10's place, here 8 is at 100's place, and 3 is at thousands place, right? So now this is the value. So we have to write their place values. Here you will see place value of 3 is given by here 3, and rest of the digits will be converted into zeros, right? So place value is 3000. Now place value of 8 is given by, now it has 2 digits after 8, so 2 zeros, so 800. Now place value of 6 is given by 6 and 1 0, 60. Now place value of last digit, which is 8, is 8. So we have done. These are the sums for practice. Thank you so much for watching this video.